All right, my people. I greet una again. You are welcome back to another Ogboge crazy update. Una know as we dey do am. Make una like, share, comment. At the same time, my people, I beg una make una subscribe to this channel. Press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you go be the first person to see am one time. All right, my people. Without wasting no time, may we enter the matter wey carry us come here. Una know say time load dey. First of all, make una check out this post where they come from one of our sister where be say this girl has dance and I believe say all of us we know her. This girl named Lakafi. So this girl come outside now try to advise some ladies concerning this their way that they treat their man for inside marriage about this shitty matter where they say it always dey happen for marriage life. So listen to what this girl talk for here. This lady say, I wonder why some ladies want to end up with a man that doesn't cheat. When a lot, and I mean whole spare their single life sleeping with man who were cheating on their wife with them. I know that this still where I so go dey someone for una based on una no go to understand that, but make I explain and give una. He say, you know, she don't understand why some married men they kill themselves. They say some married women they kill themselves. They say they don't want to deal with man where they cheat on them. When it be say for their own time where they never marry, some married men they use them whether they complain, they fight their man today. They use them they cheat on their own wife during their own time. Now waiting this lady they try to talk for you, now be that. All right, my people, make you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell us what you really reason concerning that post. May we enter another matter. We carry us come here. Time to day. My people, another casalado boss between boyfriend and girlfriend where be say they go the hustle goat so that may they take sustain themselves. This boyfriend and girlfriend because of say they want flex, they want still enjoy themselves, they want enjoy their life based on a love effigy. Those boyfriend and girlfriend who na dey see so they carry themselves come and go thief goat make them sell am make them still take popori themselves. And they imagine wetin really come between those their head, this boyfriend and girlfriend head wey be say they made this kind of decision wey be say the two of them get the same blood and they be boyfriend and girlfriend come go the thief goat. As the thing really falling me, why are they post make I post the short video for una make una see the way the matter first take play, but meanwhile make I narrate the story for una where the thing for happen and how this thing takes up. They say Anambra big boys and a slave queen arrest for stealing goats to fund their expensive lifestyle. Two lovers have been apprehended for allegedly stealing sheep in Nwagodi village in Agulu, Olosha local government area of Anambra State. The suspect, Chinedu Ume, and his girlfriend, Ogoshuku Samson, were caught by Ulegidi security men on Thursday, June 10. Imagine. Just imagine, say, those two boyfriend and girlfriend, they can't go end up together, they can't go marry, they can't go born children. And those children, husband and wife, they be thief. The pikin wetin go come be kidnapper plus thief. Abeg, make God really save people from this kind of people wey be say e dey exist for this life. Without wasting no time, make I drop the video for una make una see the way the matter take play. Oh yeah, verificate. Sure, now don't see the way the matter take play. Make you drop your comment and your opinion below, my people, and at the same time I beg make you subscribe to this channel and press that bell notification so that anytime when I drop another Ogboge video, you will be the first person to see at one time. Alright, may we enter another matter where carry us come here low time. My people, make una check out this post of those school boys who be say they don't go vandalize two girls for the hostel where be say they dey. Wetin make me dey post this post because I know they know the pleasure wey be say some guys that they get through rape, wey be say that they rape girls. At least if you really even say you want to enjoy some kind of thing from girl, you supposed to get that girl attention. Make sure say she dey for the mood, so that you yourself you go feel am. Wetin people dey really dey gain through rape, I go like make una try explain the thing give me. Instead for you to wan go dey put yourself, wan go dey sen ten ce yourself some kind of prison wey be say you no supposed to be. How una body dey even take dey stand up to dey do that kind of thing? Because for me, anything wey be say you call the drag dey do, how your level take fit stand wey be say you even fit take do am? The thing dey really dey surprise me. That's why I dey post this thing. Make una see the na the video just dey one side, so wey be say I dey play for una so. And at the same time, they say they are students of Abia State University. They were paraded by the school authority for raping 2 girls in their lodge. Now just enter those girl lodge, just go rape them, and the same boys too they be students, and those girls too they be students. Wetin come enter, which spirit come enter una body to the extent say una come go rape these girls? Make I play the few video for una see my people. Make you drop your comment and your opinion below to really see. Tell me what really be the gain of this rapist, of this rape wey be say some guys they really they do. Oh yeah, verificate.
No longer tolerate rapists. We have here 5 of them are all members of Blackguards. Out of these 5, 3 raped 2 girls.
Hey!
We are going to show you the 3 that raped the 2 girls.
Yes, sir. Show us, sir.
This one.
Hey! How many girls?
Sure that don't see the way the video take play now, my people. Make you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell me what you really reason concerning this rapist matter where be say it does the happen for the country where we did. So all right, may we move at another matter where carry us coming and no time. Meanwhile, my people, they always they hear some kind news, some kind issue concerning this fuel tank where be say it always they catch fire, they bore a lot of people. And they imagine why it be say some kind of individuals, some kind black people, especially for Nigeria, as they don't want to get sense. Once they don't say fuel tank just gets more problem or get accident, it just fall. The first way they come their mind, they know they reason the danger way they evolve. The first way they come their mind, now for them, may they go they thief the fuel. And they no say fuel, any small fire way come fuel like this. You know they take time, everybody and evil things where they around here, they burn. We dey see many cases like that. Make una check out this video where I go post for una, so make una tell me what you really reason, whether many things where they always they happen concerning fuel matter, it never reach to teach those people sense. They say residents ignore the possibility of being roasted as they troop out to scoop petrol from a falling tanker in Oyo State. This one happen for Oyo State. Those guys, they just carry their gallon, their jerrycan, go to the fetch fuel wey be say e fall for wetin they call it, e fall for roadside. Without the Lord even the reason wetin go happen if that fuel, if that tanker catch fire. Last they will call, they put the blame say na the government like cause that one. So kind things there wey be say you're ignorant, they put you for problem, they put you for some kind of issue where be say they don't even need to blame government, they need to blame you as a person where you don't use your head to prevent that thing will kill you. Lord be everything that the temple say rest in peace, may their soul rest in peace. Many people they die out of their ignorance. Alright, make I pause the video for now, make una see the way the matter take play, my people. Oh yeah, verificate. Alright, I say una don see the way the matter take play, my people. Make you drop your comment and your opinion below. May you tell us wetin you really reason concerning the fuel issue wey people dey always dey like to dey thief whenever they see fuel tank. E don get small problem for roadside or e don get small accident. Abeg make we advise ourselves so that may we no dey near something wey be say e fit put us for problem or e fit lead to our death. Alright, my people, na the end of the video na be this. I go like abeg make you like this video, share, at the same time make you comment. My people, abeg make una subscribe to this channel as Baba K TV. Press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you go be the first person to see am one time. Alright, may God bless you as you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Until I see una again for my next video. Bye.